With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, here question is George Cuvier replacement of the species by the another is caused by the massive number of the mutation, the breadth of the god, extinction due to the catastrophes such as the floods and genetic inbreeding. So first of all we need to discuss about the contribution of the George Cuvier. So George Cuvier contribution is the due to the species wiped out and replacement of that new species are evolved, and this is due to the, we can say that this extinction is due to the catastrophes, and this catastrophes can be like floods. So the reason for the extinction of a species due to the is catastrophes flood. So if we talk about the options, first option is massive number of the mutation, that is incorrect. Breadth of the god, incorrect. Extinction due to the catastrophes such as the flood. So that is the right answer for this question. I hope you understand this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.